This is how to set up your Roku 4K streaming stick in under 5 minutes. First, the stick itself with the built-in HDMI. You get the Roku voice remote. Don't forget to pull out the tab in the back so the batteries activate. It comes with 2 already inside. Power block. And lastly, you get the Roku power cord. Plug your power block into an outlet. On the other end of your Roku stick, plug the power cord directly inside. Now plug your Roku stick into the HDMI port. Now that everything's plugged in, we can get started with the actual setup. You're going to want to go on your phone and head to the App Store. Type in Roku and download the official Roku app. If you don't want to use your phone, don't worry, you can also do this on any web browser. Next, you're going to want to pair your remote. Follow the on-screen prompts and the process will immediately start. Select your language of choice and connect to your home's Wi-Fi. While you have a second, do that as well. Your Roku device might go through a mandatory update. It may take a few minutes. If you want to control your TV volume with your Roku remote, follow the on-screen process. Most of the time, it will automatically detect your TV, or you can select your brand right here. Now you need to set up a Roku account. This can be done directly through the device or through web browser or the app. You can also sign up using this QR code right here, or you can just use the Roku app. Once you're logged in, head to devices. Your device should automatically populate. Click on it to connect your account. From here, take your phone and scan the QR code with the camera. A little link will pop up for you to click on. Now you'll be able to enter your details if you're signing up, or you can just click on existing customer. Enter your login that you already have. Now you're gonna have to enter a code that's sent to that email address. Now click continue. You can set your device name and location. That way you always know which one is which. The rest of the Roku setup process is pretty easy. It's going to allow you to select which channels you want it to install right away. Channels are basically Roku's version of apps. Things such as Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus. After that, your setup is complete. Your Roku TV is going to automatically start updating the apps. Now that our setup's complete, let me walk you through a few things you need to know. First, the home section. This is going to give you a couple top pick show recommendations and all of the apps that are available in a very long list that you can scroll down. You can also add extra apps right here or turn your TV off. Next, we have the live TV section, which has Roku's own featured Roku TV. Clicking on this will bring you to a dedicated guide full of tons of free channels. That's right, you don't have to pay for these at all. They have trending now sections and a ton of categories for you to walk through. Roku has a what to watch section where it's going to tell you your apps and some other continue watching shows, save list, and recommendations for your own viewing. The featured free list will be your best friend. These are shows and apps that offer completely free content. You do not have to pay a penny for this, and most of the time you don't even have to sign up when you get into the app. You can save recommended shows at any point and they go in this category, or you can search for a ton of different applications or shows directly here. I always like to mention the voice function on the remote. By pressing this little microphone button right here, I can say things like, "Take me to Netflix." And Netflix pops up right there. Reality TV. And there's a ton of recommendations of trashy reality TV we all love. The streaming store is going to be your best friend. This is Roku's own app store. Here they'll give you a long recommendation of featured apps that they suggest downloading. You can also just go to the navigation section here where we can find apps that will give you a ton of movies, for instance. There are a ton of free apps such as Pluto TV. When you find an app you want, just click add app and agree to the pop-up. Now your device is installing the application so you can start using it. And we can instantly open our app. Now that Pluto's installed, we get a load more of free content. Of course, they also have all of your major free apps such as Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney Plus. One important section you're going to have to get used to is settings. If you want to change your internet connection or reset it at any point, head to network. Theme is really nice because we can change our wallpaper. The one everybody always goes crazy for is Roku City. This is an ever-evolving city that Roku puts all sorts of hidden Easter eggs inside. Inside display type, you can change the video setting. If you want to always have your TV on 4K Dolby Vision HDR, you can select it here. But for most of us, we're going to want to have it on automatic because it will automatically sense what your TV is capable of. Accessibility will allow you to change and add brand new captions and something like screen reader. When we turn screen reader on, every time we move, your device will read out what's happening.
Screen reader enabled.
People often turn this on by accident. A quick way that happens is by clicking the star button on your remote 4 times. So to turn it off, instead instead of heading to settings, just click that 4 times
Screen
again.
reader disabled.
If you have an Airbnb, you can set up a guest mode. That way they only have access to what you give them access to instead of your full account. You can fully lay out and customize your home screen directly here. Set up your payment method. And lastly, the system section. This is one you're really gonna have to know. One thing you're gonna have to do from time to time is check for software updates. This will fix common problems that pop up every once in a while. But if you have a ton of issues, head to advanced system settings. From here, you can do a factory reset. This will completely wipe your device, meaning you're gonna have to start this video from the beginning. But it resets your Roku like it's brand new. Those are the most important things you're gonna have to know about your Roku device if you're setting one up for the first time. I hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button right down below. I also have a link to all my suggested Roku products right down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys and girls.